Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a quick daily look at Elrond here, and as we can see, looking like it is still kind of chopping it up really in its range, isn't it? We actually did, we've drawn this range in here, but more likely you would say, now that we've got more information, you'd say it's looking probably something more like this, isn't it? And it is still chilling in between those key levels, looking quite strong actually. It hasn't lost its range low like a lot of cryptos did. Obviously Bitcoin losing its range low as well. You can see overall here, Elrond really has just been chopping it sideways in this range for the better part of 6 or 7 months now. Sitting currently on, this previous little level of support here that has, become quite a key level of support for Elrond. You can see very clearly what's been happening here. We've obviously come down into this area, formed the range, come back to the upside. We've been chopping up inside the range for a good while. Now looking like we've come back down, back tested that area, and now looking like we are essentially just, back testing in this area of support. Obviously on the hourly time frame, you can see a bit better recently what's been happening. We've come down and we've actually back tested this area a few times here. We're actually getting lower lows as well under a resistance like this, so it'll be interesting to see what happens next. Either we're probably going to break down after continuing to hit this resistance and rolling over, and eventually break to the downside with the kind of descending triangle kind of thing that we're looking at here. You've got your triangle formation like this, where eventually you break to the downside because you can't make any headway up. But in our opinion, in terms of the wider perspective for Elrond, it has been holding this support for a good while, looking fairly strong in those areas. And, it'll be interesting to see what happens next. It's not off the cards that we come down and make a new swing low here for Elrond down in somewhere in this region down here. Maybe at a swing low like this would probably be the next target if we did fall down from this level. But as we always say, until we see the range break, we are just going to be trading the range. And from what we can tell on the hourly time frame, we could well be seeing ourselves coming back up at least through some of these levels in the short term and seeing what happens next, basically. So Elrond really just chopping sideways at the minute, looking like it's making a decent amount of support in this area, but obviously we do need to see a little bit of upside unless this descending triangle kind of thing plays out and we roll to the downside, basically. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next, but we do think overall Elrond, it's still looking fairly good, isn't it? It's holding key levels of structure for now, and it'll be interesting to see what happens next. So our key targets for Elrond, obviously the bottom and the top of the range, as always, until the range breaks, and then we will evaluate again. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.